We were outraged when you authorized those pipelines. Our infrastructure's gone to pot and our grandkids are getting shot. So we're raging, cause now you pissed off grandma. You gerrymandered our elections and it's harder now to vote. You rob women of their rights to plan their families. Gay or straight or trans or poor, we're worse off than we were before. You've ignored us, so now you pissed off grandma. Social Security's in danger and our Medicare is too. Folks are dying every day for lack of health care. You keep prisoners locked in cages, workers can't get living wages. This is cruel and we're really pissed off grandmas. Well, you're stealing public taxes to support those private schools, and you're banning books and teaching whitewash history. With our teachers unsupported and our immigrants deported, feel the wrath of these truly pissed off grandmas.
Looking for dope, the weapons, get your lessons. That's what my mom's just stressing. I try to pay attention, but the black is why I'm interested. This is only girl, 5 years, because we only keep pictures in the game.